Paul Kane. This is my wife Casey Kane. We're building the Prescott E. The best experience is working with the people. Everybody's been really nice, very educated about everything they're doing. It's just been an easy flow.
John is amazing.
That's true. Just from the time we walked in the house, everybody that we've met has been any questions we've had, they've answered. Shaw Homes, the style, the uniqueness, the bang for the buck. You really get a beautiful home for a moderate price. I would recommend Shaw Homes for the reason of our experience. With everything we've been through, it's been pleasant, and we will refer other people. We already have 3 people in mind, so